Left alone, seemingly forgotten, outside on a hot August day, a Missouri man was found on the ground dead next to his wheelchair. Now his family is demanding answers from the nursing home that was supposed to be caring for him. As Fox 4 problem solver Linda Wager discovered, this isn't the first time this nursing home or the company that owns it has come under scrutiny.
Bradford Williams was a loving dad, a doting grandpa, and a retired police officer. He lived a good life, but according to allegations raised by his son in a lawsuit, that's not the way he died. He was alone, forgotten by the nursing home that was supposed to be caring for him, Liberty Health and Wellness.
It was August 22nd. So as you can imagine, it was a hot day.
In fact, it was 92 degrees that August day in 2022. Attorney Peyton Denning said in the wrongful death suit that 79-year-old Mr. Williams, who had difficulty seeing and was partially paralyzed on his right side, was so upset that morning he wheeled himself to the front desk, demanding to leave and wanting his money back. The director of nursing instead assisted him outside into the nursing home's inner courtyard, where Mr. Williams' final hours played out. For more than 5 hours, with no water or food, Mr. Williams sat in the beating sun. By the time staff found him at 3:35 p.m., he was lying face down in the grass and dirt near his wheelchair with the wheels still locked. According to the lawsuit, the director of nursing declared him dead, never initiating CPR or calling 911. Instead, he ordered Mr. Williams to be brought back to his room, where staff was instructed to fill a sink with ice water and use it to clean and cool down Mr. Williams' fire-hot skin. Denning said the nursing home then called a funeral director, who was so alarmed when he saw Mr. Williams' body, he alerted the family.
He had bugs on his face that were crawling kind of in and out of his mouth and nose.
There was bruising on his left side and cuts and scrapes on his arms and groin. The family blames Liberty Health and Wellness for their father's death. The nursing home filed this in response, denying all responsibility.
Staffing was terrible. Absolutely terrible.
But former nurse Marissa Crisco, who was still working at the nursing home then, but was not at work the day Mr. Williams died, says it's no surprise that an elderly patient could have been left outside for hours.
Your nurses are just worked ragged because they're working so many halls, and they're trying because we want to take care of people. But we can't do it.
Crisco says it's not just patients who are at risk. She's hired attorney Antoinette Dupree and plans to sue the nursing home after being injured on the job and discovering it had no workers' compensation coverage, something required under Missouri law. Crisco's complaints about staffing and other aspects of care at the nursing home are corroborated by the findings of state inspectors. In its last publicly available inspection in May, Liberty Health and Wellness had 28 violations. That's more than 3 times the number of a typical nursing home.
We're dying here. We're just dying. I said, I'm doing the best I can, but they're not getting their medicine.
So who operates Liberty Health and Wellness? This past June, a new company took over operations. But at the time of Mr. Williams' death, it was 27-year-old Sam Goldner and Goldner Capital Management. Last year, Sam Goldner was the second biggest operator of nursing homes in Missouri, something that concerns attorney Antoinette Dupree.
This company has an owner that is acquiring these assisted living facilities at a crazy rate all over the country.
Dupree, who is representing Nurse Crisco, said Goldner's written pitch to a group of potential investors in Ohio reveals the company's focus on maximizing profits.
The way that he intended on doing that, in the same way he's operating these facilities in Missouri, is to take benefits away from his staff, to cut down on staffing, cut down on dietary needs of the patients, and outsource physical therapy to save money. And he put this in writing. And this is exactly what you see translated into what he's doing and how he's operating these facilities. And it's dangerous.
In the last 3 years, 4 wrongful death lawsuits have been filed against Goldner-operated nursing homes in Missouri. Besides Mr. Williams' case, there was another against Royal Oak Nursing and Rehab in St. Louis, at Abbey Woods in St. Joseph, and at Redwood of South Kansas City. 2 of the suits were settled out of court. The other 2 were still pending. We tried calling Goldner and leaving messages. We also called an attorney representing him on a different matter and asked him to let Goldner know we wanted to talk to him. Goldner has never contacted us.
Hi, Linda Wager, I'm with Fox 4 News.
So we paid a visit to Liberty Health and Wellness, and that's where we met Administrator Amy Bax, who was on duty the day Mr. Williams died.
In response to these concerns about Mr. Williams.
I'm not commenting on any of that.
We also asked about the dozens of violations and the alleged lack of workers' comp insurance. She wouldn't talk to us about that either, and she told us she had no idea how to reach Sam Goldner. She said that the nursing home had changed operators in June.
We are no longer affiliated with Brooks Capital Management.
Although she wouldn't tell us who the new operator is, public records show Vertical Health Services out of Washington State is the company now in charge. CEO William Meller said his company was brought in this year to improve conditions at Liberty Health and Wellness, as well as 14 other now former Goldner-operated nursing homes in Missouri. So far, violations at the Liberty Nursing Home have dropped from 27 to 17, although it is still included in this database of troubled nursing homes. Williams told us that Sam Goldner, as of this November, no longer operates any nursing homes in Missouri. News that Goldner is no longer in charge has given at least some hope to Marissa Crisco that no more patients or staff will suffer the way she did.
We just can't do it. You know, and you're just devastated when you go home. You're in tears every day.
Linda Wager, Fox 4 Problem Solvers.